Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth transition video editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you can open up your Capcut and then you're going to create new project and you can choose some videos that you want to edit. I'm going to pick random videos from my gallery. Okay, for example, I'm going to add 5 videos. Click on add to add the videos to your project. And to create smooth transition, I recommend you to add beat mark to your audio so the beat mark can match the transition. Okay, I'm going to click on the audio and I'm going to click on sounds and I'm going to choose music from Capcut. I'm going to choose music from beats category. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one, guys. Alright, and then we're going to go to the beats menu, and to make the process faster and easier, I'm going to activate the auto generate so the beat mark will be added automatically. Okay, and then you can choose intense or light. I'm going to make it lighter like this, and I'm going to click on the check mark. And after that, you're going to match cut with the beat mark. Okay, I'm going to cut my video according to the beat mark. And after that, I'm going to add transition on the cut. Okay, you can split and cut, and delete. Split on the beat mark and delete. Okay, and the last video, tap on the video and split and delete. Okay, and then I'm going to add transition here. I'm going to search for smooth. Okay, and there will be some transitions that you can apply, and I'm going to choose black fade. Okay, I think this black fade can create smooth transition for my video. Okay, and I'm going to apply to all. You can apply different transition actually, but I just want to use one transition for all my clips. Okay, and let's see. I'm going to play it. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth transition video editing using Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.